how to change language on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Chrome mobile. First you're going to do is go to Google Chrome and then click this 3 points here and now click settings and then go down until you find this one, downloads, and then not downloads, this one, languages, and here just click this one and here you can change it to anything you want, like this one. And as you see, the language has been changed. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.